Hello everyone. Today we're going to continue with our Spanish numbers and months vocabulary. I'm going to go over these words again quickly in Spanish because I want you to hear them pronounced again. So if you would please follow along as I say these words in Spanish. I'm going to start on the left hand side with the numbers. Alright, here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. All right, and now our months. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. All right, today we are going to continue practicing these numbers. We're going to do in months. We're going to do something a little bit differently though today. You guys will need to go to the modules tab, and underneath the e-learning Spanish, you are going to go to the link that says Quizlet, Spanish numbers, and weather. You're going to click on that. You are going to open it in a new window. And I want you to first go through these flashcards. So a couple things about Quizlet. You may or may not be familiar with them, but Quizlet does have an audio function where you can hear these words being said. But in order to do that, you really need to go and make these flashcards full screen. And to do that, when you're looking at the flashcard, underneath you see it says 1 out of 44. And then to the right of that, the far right, are some brackets. It's like 4 corners. You need to click on that. Close this. And it's going to make my flashcards full screen. I have them in shuffle. I'm going to take that off. Okay, so you see them in full screen. When I tap it, I don't have my audio turned up.
0, 0, 0.
It says it in English and in Spanish.
1, 1, 2, 2.
So I want you to go through all of your flashcards. As you go through a flashcard and flip it,
3,
think if you can say the number in Spanish before you flip it over. So I'm going to try to think of it. I want to be able to say tres,
3,
and then I can check myself. So I want you to go through all of the flashcards. If you would like, on the left-hand side underneath play, it does say shuffle. You can shuffle
12.
them. If you don't want to go through them in order, I'll leave that totally up to you. But this also has the months in it as well. Once you have gone through all of these flashcards, there's 44 total. You see you have the progress bar on the left. I want you to go through all of them. When you've completed that, you're going to go back. And now it takes me back to this page. I want you all to scroll down, and underneath you see it says play, and it says match, and gravity. You have study, where it says flashcards, learn, write, spell, test, and then underneath of that it says play, match, and gravity. I want you to click on match, and I want you to practice matching these up. So you want to match up the English with the Spanish. So for example, I want to click July and Julio, and then it disappears. I'm going to click 8 and Ocho, and it disappears. So I want you to go through this. On the left, you guys can notice that it has the time where it's counting how much time it is taking me to go through this. I want you guys to go through this several times. Make note of your score. So I can see here I got almost 23 seconds. I'm going to try again. See if I can beat that score. Okay, so that time I got 8.2 seconds. I want you to continue going through this several times with the matching and see, I guess it was 8.6 seconds. I don't know. I guess my best time is 8.2 now. So what I want you to do is to continue doing this several times with the matching. Try to improve your score. And when you think you've got it pretty low, I want you to screenshot this screen. So you're going to screenshot this, and then you're going to go back to Canvas. And in Canvas, your assignment for today will say Quizlet Spanish Numbers and Months. And there you're going to upload the screenshot of your best time with the matching activity. Okay? So practice the flashcards, go through Quizlet several times, go through the flashcards, then go to matching, screenshot your score, so just this screen right here, and then you're going to go back to Canvas, and then underneath assignments, I will have an assignment that says Quizlet Spanish Numbers and Months, and I want you to upload that screenshot there for today's activity. Have a great day.